What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye 8231, and today I'm up under the hood of a 2019 Toyota Highlander. This is an XLE model, but today I'm going to be showing you how to change the air filter on a 2019 Toyota Highlander. This will be the same for Highlanders with the V6 engine. From 2015 all the way to 2019. It may be 2014 through 2019, but it's super quick, super easy. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. First thing you want to do is open your hood. If you don't know how to open your hood, I'll show you real quick. You go in here under the driver side, and underneath here you see this little latch that has an actual hood on it. You pull that and that releases the hood. Once you open pull the release to open the hood, you're actually going to stick your hand up underneath and push this lever back while lifting the hood with the other hand. Because I'm filming with one hand, I'm not able to do that, so I went ahead and opened the hood first. All right, to replace the air filter, I'm going to just go ahead and use an OEM Toyota air filter. These aren't super expensive, but you can get them at your local Toyota auto parts department. The filter number is OP051. So if you're trying to replace the engine air filter on your Toyota Highlander, that's going to be the number you're going to need. But they have all that listed in the computer, so they'd be more than happy to look that up for you and help you get the right one. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is look at the air box now. And if we look at the air box is on the right side of the vehicle here. The air box has these little silver clips, okay? The other side is like a snap-in or a push-in section. So basically what we're going to do is just release those clips. There's only 2 of them. All right, and make sure they're back out of the way. And you're just going to lift the filter cover, and you can see the filter slides right out. All right, now this filter's pretty dirty, so it's in pretty dire need of being changed. So what I'm gonna do is just throw that bad boy to the side. You can measure them, make sure they're the same size. That's the same one, so just throw that one on the side for now. Also, you'll notice the MAF sensors right here and stuff, and you've got this the rest of the air intake here, so just be careful with that. It is designed to flex right here on the pipe, but just be careful with that. Don't lift it more than you need to. All right, so now we're going to take the other air filter and basically, let's see if I can do this with one hand while holding the camera. So basically we're just going to lift it up again, and we're going to slide the new air filter back into place. All right. Okay, so as you can see, the filter sits flat in there just like that. All right, and then to reattach the cover, you're going to slide in the backside. All right, so you can see the backside is slid in both on the front and the back. All right, and so this should sit flat again. Once that is sitting flat, you should be able to just lift your clip, your other clip, and they just push right back into place. And that is how you change the engine air filter on a Toyota Highlander. That's years 2014 through 2019. This will be exactly the same for all of those models with the V6 engine. And so I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to comment if you have any questions for me. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos.